Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades. Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me today. Let's jump right into our video and see what we can create. By now I'm sure that you have seen a lot of the channels that are devoted to glitter tumblers and a lot of the Facebook groups that have cropped up, and you've really admired a lot of the tumblers that are being created and wanted to do one of your own. And you may have even purchased the equipment like the cup turner and the stainless steel cup and the epoxy and glitters of all different colors, but you still haven't taken the plunge. Well, let me share some exciting news. This Saturday, February 15th at 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, I will be joining in with Doris of DF Designs. We will be doing a live tutorial on her channel. We will be side by side. You'll be able to watch both of us. You'll be able to ask questions via the live chat, and we can answer your questions immediately. Give you tips and tricks and things that I've learned through the time that I've been doing tumblers, and we're just going to have a good time hanging out and putting glitter and epoxy on tumblers. And if you have one that you have not done yet and you want to do yours along with us, be a great time to try it. If you have any questions, or maybe you're an experienced tumbler artist yourself and have some tips and tricks that you could share as well, we welcome them. So make plans to join us, and that will be this Saturday, February 15th at 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time on Doris's channel. The link below to her channel is in the description of this video. Check it out. Subscribe to her if you haven't. Ring that bell. You'll get notified when she uploads the live link. Hope to see you there.